Hello everybody, today we are going to discuss about kids answers of NISTA module 14 initiatives in school education. Which classes Samagra Shiksha includes? First class 1 to 10th, second class 1 to 7th, third class 1 to 12th, fourth preschool to 12th. So option 4th is right answer, preschool to 12th. What was the need behind initiating the process of conducting the National Achievement Survey? First, to assess the learning outcomes. Second, to assess the teacher's knowledge. Third, to assess the child's knowledge. Fourth, to assess the population of the country. So, option first is right answer. To assess the learning outcomes. What is the implementing agency of Samagra Shiksha in the state and UTs? First, State Finance Department. Second, State Project Director's Office. Third, State Treasury. Fourth, State Implementing Society. So, option 4th is right answer. State Implementing Society. National Achievement Survey (NAS) at the elementary stage has been carried out to assess learning achievement of children in classes. First class, third, fifth and eighth. Second class 1 to 9th, third class 3rd to 9th, fourth up to class 10th. So option first is right answer, class 3rd, 5th and 8th. The main components of the Samagra Shiksha scheme: preschool education, promoting inclusive education, Bade Bharat, self-defense training, Khelo India, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. So option second is right answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Samagra Shiksha is an integrated scheme of which 3 erstwhile centrally sponsored schemes of the government. First, Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan SSA, Rashtriya Madhyamik Shiksha Abhiyan RMSA, teacher education. Second, Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan SSA, Rashtriya Madhyamik Shiksha Abhiyan RMSA, midday meal MDM. Third, Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan SSA, Rashtriya Uchtar Shiksha Abhiyan ROSHA, midday meal MDM. Fourth, Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan SSA, Rashtriya Uchtar Shiksha Abhiyan ROSHA, teacher education. So option first is right answer. Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan SSA, Rashtriya Madhyamik Shiksha Abhiyan RMSA, teacher education. Which of the following is not an approach of the midday meal scheme MDMS? First, Atidhi Bhojan. Second, school nutrition garden. Third, Atidhi Bhojan. Fourth, cooking competition. So option third is right answer. Atidhi Bhojan. Online portal initiated by government to collect data in real time. First, UDIS, Unified District Information System for Education. Second, Deksha app. Third, Union Bank of India fee submit portal. Fourth, Shala Darpan. So first one is right answer. UDIS, Unified District Information System for Education. Which one of the following is a milestone in the history of inclusive education in India? First, Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan 2000. Second, Rashtriya Madhyamik Shiksha Abhiyan 2009. Third, National Means Merit Scholarship 2008. Fourth, Eklavya Model Residential School 1998. So option first is right answer. Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan 2000 portal launched by MHRD to link over 15 lakh schools across the country to provide all the information on school education. First, Shagun portal. Second, Kartavya portal. Third, Deksha portal. Fourth, Jijnasa portal. So option first is right answer. Shagun portal. You will submit here. Your score is 10 by 10.